Here is my hook to get your attention for the 30 seconds of my video. So today with this hook I will teach you how to do these snowmen that were my best selling for the Christmas season. So follow the steps. So you'll need white clay, orange clay, a color of your choice for the scarf, and some black liquid clay. If you don't have it, you can use black clay. And we will need 2 cutters, circular cutters. Doesn't matter what size you want, so you can get bigger or smaller, the technique is the same. So let's start. You need to condition your clay, of course. See when it's done. So here is my clay. After putting it in the pasta machine setting 3, I'm going to put it flat on my surface, and we're going to cut our circles. So I put some plastic on it and got my bigger cutter, and we cut 2 circles. I take my smaller cutter and also cut 2 circles. So here what I'm going to do is to take my circles, this, and on the bigger circles I'm going to use the smaller cutter to cut just a little bit. So we can put the smaller circle just right in this place, so it will look more natural, like this. So basically our snowmen are done. So now we just add the scarf, the noses, and the eyes and the accessories. So I take the red clay. So here is our clay through the pasta machine setting 4, and I'm going to cut some bands like 3mm wide or 4mm wide. And I'm going to use them to make the scarf of our snowman. So this is the first one. We cut the excess. And this is the second one. So make sure just to cover the joint between both circles. So now we're going to make the scarf on the side of our snowman. So I take one band and cut it in half like this. One of the end I'm going to cut it shorter, and I'm going to put it on my snowman on one side like this, and the other like this. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Shorter. Now with the pointy tool, like this one, you're going to just press a little bit on the end of each scarf to make the wool effect, like this. and like this. We take our orange clay to make the nose, the carrot nose. We're going to roll it and try to make the ends pointy, and that's what we are going to use. So I cut like 3 millimeters from one side and put it on the middle and cut from the other side, and same thing. So now we need a small cutter to make the hole on the head of our snowman, but we can also do it with a toothpick or with our pointy tool. You take your liquid clay. If you don't have liquid clay, you can use black clay and do really small dots to make the eyes and the bottom of your snowman. So we just need really a little bit. We're going to take a dotting tool, put it in our black liquid clay and make the eyes. So our snowmen are ready. They have to be baked at 110 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes, and we will meet again after baking so we can put our hook. See you! So here I have already some baked snowman. So what we are going to do is we're going to take some jump rings. I already prepared 2 and our hooks. So you just open one of your jump rings like this, fix it on your snowman, you take your hook. When you see you have your hook the same direction as the loop, so what we are going to do is we're going to twist for 90 degrees our loop on the hook. We're going to open it and put our snowman. So this is the first one. The second one. So I hope that you find this tutorial easy. A thumbs up will be appreciated. If you subscribe, I will be more than glad. So let me know in the comment if you'd like more of this kind of content. So the snowmen are done. As I told you, these were one of my bestsellers for the holiday season. So sometimes you just need to make things simple because people like them this way. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!